Welcome to the Excel tutorial series on the Radiowave Technology Channel. Excel functions allow you to automate calculations and analyze data efficiently. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the sum, average, and logical functions using a sales report. Using advanced functions. Let's start with functions to calculate totals and averages. Calculate total sales. Select the cell where you want the total, such as B6. Type the formula, equals sum, open parenthesis, B2, B5, close parenthesis. Press enter, and Excel will display the total sales. Find average performance. Select the cell where you want the average, such as D6. Type the formula, equals average, open parenthesis, D2, D5, close parenthesis. Press enter, and Excel will calculate the average performance percentage. Using logical functions. Logical functions allow you to analyze data based on conditions. Check if employees met their targets. Select a new cell, such as E2. Type the formula, equals IF, open parenthesis, B2, greater than or equal to C2, comma, quote, target met, quote, comma, quote, target not met, quote, close parenthesis. Press enter, and drag the formula down to apply it to all rows. Excel will display either target met or target not met based on the sales and target columns. Highlighting top performers. Use a combination of logical functions like if and the and formula. To implement this, click in cell E2 and type equals if, open parenthesis, and open parenthesis, B2, greater than or equal to C2, comma, D2, greater than 100%, close parenthesis, comma, quote, high performance, quote, comma, quote, needs improvement, quote, close parenthesis. Reviewing your functions. Sum calculates totals, average finds averages, if and the and formula handle logic-based conditions. Your formulas will update dynamically when you change data in the table. Tip: you can also access Excel's built-in formulas and functions quickly. Navigate to the Formulas tab on the top ribbon. Here, you'll find categorized function groups such as math and trig, logical, text, and lookup and reference. If you're unsure which function to use, click on Insert Function, FX, to open a search box where you can type keywords and browse suggested formulas. Additionally, the AutoSum button provides quick access to common functions like sum, average, count, max, and min. Simply select a range and choose the desired function to apply it instantly. This tab is a powerful tool for streamlining calculations without manually typing formulas. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Excel functions to automate calculations and analyze data. In the next tutorial, we'll show you how to freeze panes to navigate large datasets. See you there.